Hello everybody, my name is Alex and this is my technology presentation video for the Technology and Human Life course for the spring 2020 semester. My technology choice was the Raspberry Pi, which some of you may have already heard of, others may have not, so I'm going to go a little more in depth into what this technology is. So the Raspberry Pi launched in February 2012 by the Raspberry Pi Foundation. They are a UK based company. The technology itself, it's a bare bones computer with no coding or programming on it at all. They have 9 computer models to choose from with different processing power and memory. The main goal of the foundation is to teach computer science in schools and developing countries, so they made it really easy and user-friendly. When you get the product, how it works is you download the operating system called Raspbian onto an SD card to install on the Raspberry Pi. Once installed, you can now code. On the website, raspberrypi.org, they do have pre-coded projects that you can easily do, ranging from building a little robotic-controlled RC car to building a home security system or a web camera or things like that. I've even seen people use the Raspberry Pi to make 3D printers. So the main strength of this product is the versatility of the product. When it first launched, a lot of the big industrial companies purchased it for robotic controllers in their factories. So if you've never seen an industrial robot, they're big and they're usually bigger than a big full-size van. They take a lot of processing power and coding to operate in them efficiently. So a lot of these big companies, they purchase the Raspberry Pi as a low-cost alternative. One weakness of this technology for people, do-it-yourselfers or things like that, is the cost can add up very quickly. The bare Raspberry Pi is inexpensive. The cost, it can come from add-ons such as keyboards, mice, separate cards for making Raspberry Pi into a DVR, a camera, or a touchpad. So if you don't already have these items at home to make a Raspberry Pi into those items, your cost will increase. And then again, the businesses are using this technology as a low-cost alternative to big pre-recorded machines. I've even seen online where some people have used the Raspberry Pi to set up mining rigs for cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, things like that, using the Raspberry Pi. So people are actually using these products to make profit off of them. Other people, they've also used it to set up like LED lights inside of rooms, or some big movie companies use Raspberry Pis to control all of their stage lights and everything on stages or on movie sets. So that's a low-cost alternative. It works, and it keeps films and stage productions low on budget. My sources include the raspberrypi.org website itself. They have a lot of useful information on there. And I also got a lot of just basic information such as when it was founded and things like that from wikipedia.com, the Raspberry Pi Foundation's Wikipedia page. I found both to be very useful and provide a lot of information. Thank you for your time. This is my technology video presentation for technology and the human life.